Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice eyeshadow palette. So this is a limited edition holiday palette that retails for $49 and it's available now online at Too Faced retailers. I'll have all the links down below. So the packaging of this palette is the same as Too Faced Sweet Peach and Chocolate Bar palettes. It's a tin with the magnetic closure and it also includes a good quality mirror. The palette has 18 eyeshadows and yes, the palette is scented. Too Faced describes the scent as a yummy gingerbread. So this palette has a mixture of mattes and shimmers. There's 10 mattes and 8 shimmers in the palette and it's filled with warm eyeshadows with a pop of color. When I tested the shadows, 3 out of 10 mattes were grainy and felt dry when swatched. These shades are Figgy Pudding, Gumdrop, and Spice. Once I passed the first layer, these shades along with the rest of the mattes blended smoothly with the brush and applied Pigmented. I did have some kick up when using a brush but nothing too major. For the shimmers, all were very creamy and pigmented. For the shades that are more on the metallic side, I noticed that they have fine specks of glitter that makes the shadows look even more prettier. These shadows not only swatch good but they also apply evenly when using a finger application or a wet synthetic brush, except for the shade Frostbite Me. This shade is more chunky and has more glitter than the other shimmers. I also found that this eyeshadow works better when using your finger application versus using a wet synthetic brush. So overall, this palette is really pretty and it's perfect for the fall and winter seasons and maybe for all year round. And also, if you're not into glittery shadows, I would probably skip this palette because the shimmer shadows do have a lot of sparkle that comes from the glitter. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.